Hey people, well here's another acquisition I got. I got this yesterday and just unboxed it today. Won this on eBay last week sometime. This is another Lakewood S-122, except this one, instead of being branded Lakewood, yeah, this one's branded Penncrest. This is a brand that JCPenney would brand their fans from like probably 1964 to 1975, according to Esky Wolf. Anyway, I thought this would be a nice companion for that regular Lakewood branded S-122 that I have, the one in terracotta orange. And it would go along with those two JCPenney branded Lakewoods I have, both model 9700, which are rebadged P223s. So we'll have an overall look at this and we'll fire it up. Turn around this way. As you can see, it's this weird color, kind of like a goldish green. It's probably about the same color as both these Toastmasters sitting over there, that plastic bladed one and that metal bladed one that's in the box. It's probably the same shade as that metal bladed one. Now we'll look at the other side. Yeah. Now turn around to the back. And just like the other Lakewood S-122 and the Windsor, it's got the little GE motor, which Lakewood used on their mini boxes until I guess 75, or was it 74? Now look at the top. And there's a speed sticker. It's the same as the other one, only it's kind of a brownish green instead of dark brown like the other one. And it's got the same little handle. Of course, I would like to find something like a Penncrest 100 or something like that. I mean, with the unique style cabinet, handle, switch knob, and of course I guess you can say the funky style front grille. And it's got the model sticker in there. Yeah, I forgot to mention, this is a model 9721A. What the A stands for, I don't know. So anyway, now we'll fire it up. Here's high. It's got a little bit of that startup sound. Pretty powerful for its size. Now down below, still runs pretty fast. Speeds on this seem to be about the same as on my regular Lakewood brand. back up to high. Switch knob's pretty loose on this one. And as always, OFF spells off. And there you have it. This is my Penncrest by JCPenney, model 9721A, which is of course the rebadged Lakewood S-122. Thank you for watching.